Good morning, this is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Eastern Idaho Planning Briefing for Wednesday, March 24th. First, we'll look at the weather impact summary. We do have a storm system which will bring snow to the area late this afternoon and tonight through Thursday in the mountains with a rain-snow mix in the Magic Valley Snake River Plain. We do expect some areas of snow-covered roads, mainly in the mountains, going over the passes. General accumulations in the mountains will be 2 to 4 inches, higher amounts in the passes, generally under an inch in the Snake River Plain. Looking at the satellite imagery loop, you can see the storm. It's in the British Columbia coast, pushing southeast. You can see a lot of cloud cover pushing into eastern Washington, and that's going to be dropping southeast today and overnight tonight, and that's going to be, there is precipitation under those clouds, and that's what's going to be spreading into the region late today, overnight tonight through Thursday. The weather impact overview, some late afternoon and overnight snow again, all the mountain areas. And then Thursday we're going to have snow everywhere and some impacts, like I said, some mountain pass, some travel difficulties, the Sawtooth, eastern highlands, southeast highlands. Again, the passes could see amounts of 4 inches or greater. And so we'll have some lingering snow showers Friday, mainly in the eastern highlands. And then the weekend looks pretty dry, and with a pretty decent warming trend Saturday into Sunday. Here is the snow amount forecast from tonight through Friday. Again, generally 1 to 4 inches in the mountain areas. Some of the northern parts of the Snake River Plain could see an inch or two, but generally under an inch along the interstate corridor until you get north of Idaho Falls, where you could get into some heavier amounts. And again, some 6 to 10 inch amounts at some of the mountain passes. Galena Summit could see a bit more than the 4 inches. So, like I said, we do expect some travel difficulties, but not significant impacts. And a lot of that's due to the temperatures are fairly warm for late March, generally highs today in the 40s, low elevations 30s to low 40s in the mountains. Overnight lows right around freezing in the Snake River Plain. Generally teens and 20s in the mountains. High temperatures a little bit cooler Thursday, but still in the 30s in the mountains and up around 40, low to mid 40s across the Snake River Plain, which could turn some of the morning snow to mix with possibly even change to rain in some areas. And overnight lows Friday morning. Again, some pretty cold temperatures where you do get some snow, single digits in the Stanley area, generally teens to 20s in the mountains, and generally mid-20s to lower 30s in the Snake River Plain. And then it'll begin to warm up as the precipitation tapers off Friday. Highs in the valleys up around 50 into the low 50s again. And we'll take a quick look at the long-term forecast for the first week of April. Right now, a much better chance of above normal temperatures for southern Idaho, as well as a much better chance of below normal precipitation. So it looks like at the beginning of April, we're going to be into a warm and dry pattern. And the weather impact summary, again, we do have the storm system moving out of the Pacific Northwest. We do expect snow into the region late this afternoon and tonight through Thursday. Again, 1 to 4 inches in the mountains with some higher amounts across the passes of 6 inches or so. Generally a rain-snow mix in the Magic Valley, lower Snake River Plain. Again, could see up to an inch, but most areas below an inch in the Snake River Plain. And we do expect some areas of snow-covered roads, especially driving over mountain passes. That will conclude the briefing for today. Call us at the number listed here 24 hours a day if you have any questions, or visit our website. Thank you, and everyone have a good day.